Today we're going to demo a simple but delicious lemon-dill salmon fillet. We're going to start off with our fresh salmon, preferably wild caught, wherever you can get your best portion of salmon. Everybody loves salmon also because it's a protein source that is low in calories, high in good fats, and most of all tastes delicious. We're going to just use a very simple marinade of fresh lemon juice from 1 to 2 large lemons, and then fresh or dried dill weed, and then salt and pepper to taste. If you're doing a low sodium diet, you really don't need the salt here. The lemon will provide the zest to this recipe. We're also going to add just 1 tablespoon of olive oil to help the seasoning stick to the salmon. Make your marinade and then spread over the salmon fillets and let sit for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. We're gonna do a parchment paper lined baking sheet here and roast in a 400-degree oven for approximately 15 minutes or until your salmon is cooked through. If you enjoy your salmon slightly pink, you can actually reduce the time to only 10 to 12 minutes. If you want your salmon well done, cook for approximately 20 minutes. Once you take your salmon out of the oven, let it just sit for 1 to 2 minutes and it's ready to serve.